Although usually harmless, spiders are invasive and can cause damage to your car's interior. Whether you're preventing or controlling a spider infestation, you can use one of several techniques to keep spiders away from your car. Cleaning your car, using natural spider repellents, and changing the way you park or use the lights can all help get rid of spiders in your car. With time and diligence, your car will be clean and spider-free again. How to keep spiders out of your car. Welcome to my channel. Here, we talk about gardening tips and pest control methods like this. So you're here for the first time. Maybe it's a good idea to subscribe. Also, click the bell icon so that you receive notifications on my new upload. Part 1. Preventing spider infestations. 1. Remove clutter and unnecessary items. Remove clutter and unnecessary items from the car. Spiders hide in any dark, secluded space they can find, so do your best to eliminate hiding spots in your vehicle. Throw away any garbage in your car and place all items you don't need in a plastic or reusable bag. Place the bag in the trunk and, when you have time, take it out of the car and drop it off at your home. 2. Clean and vacuum your car thoroughly. Spiders like to hide in dark, dirty areas. Taking the time to clean out your car can prevent spiders from finding places to live within it. Vacuum your car's floors, paying special attention to corners or any crumbs, and wipe down the interior. Try to clean out your car at least once a week to prevent infestations. 3. Ensure your car doors seal tightly. Run your fingers along the rubber seals along each door and check for damage. If you notice any cracks or broken areas, hire a mechanic to repair or replace your rubber seals. Because spiders can enter your car through small holes, rubber seals are essential for keeping spiders out. If you notice dirt or debris clogging the rubber seals, clean them with a wet washcloth to improve their efficiency. 4. Do not leave your car idling for long periods of time. The vibrations that idling cars make disturb spiders and, while trying to escape the vibrations, may cause them to hide in your car. If possible, avoid turning your car on before you need it, particularly if your car is prone to spider infestations. Spiders move towards, not away from, idling cars because they expect to find a ground zero in the car where the vibrations can't hurt them. It's comparable to seeking shelter in the eye of a hurricane. The larger your car is, the more likely that it will attract spiders while idling. Part 2. Using spider repellents. 1. Mix an essential oil spray. Mix an essential oil spray to ward off spiders naturally. Because of their strong scent and taste, several essential oils repel spiders and other insects. Mix 5 to 7 drops of an essential oil with 2 cups, 470 ml, of water in a spray bottle and spritz it around your car. The following essential oils work particularly well for repelling spiders: citrus, rosemary, garlic, peppermint, lavender. 2. Spread eucalyptus leaves around your car. Spread eucalyptus leaves around your car as a non-toxic repellent. Eucalyptus leaves are a natural spider repellent with a botanical smell. Place fresh eucalyptus leaves in your car's storage compartments, like the trunk and glove box, to ward off spiders from a specific area. You can buy eucalyptus leaves online or from some plant nurseries. 3. Spray a non-toxic spider repellent. Spray a non-toxic spider repellent in your car to get rid of spiders quickly. Look for spider repellents at outdoor, garden, or home improvement stores. Choose a spider repellent labeled non-toxic to prevent poisoning or skin irritation. Spray it on the vents, door mirrors, tires, and under the hood, as these are the 4 most likely places for spiders to hide out in your car. Reapply the spider repellent once a week to ward off future infestations. Because you and other people will be sitting in your car, don't use toxic spider repellents. If you notice spiders in other areas of your car, feel free to spray the repellent there as well. But avoid spraying any electronics like the radio or car charging port. Part 3. Controlling car infestations. 1. Catch and get rid of any existing spiders in your car. Remove any spiders that you see while cleaning to prevent them from laying eggs in your car. Trap the spider with a cup or with your hands and exterminate it or release it far away from your car. If you can't or would prefer not to touch the spiders, set up spider sticky traps around the car where you've seen spiders before. 2. Vacuum your entire car. Using a vacuum with a tube attachment, look for and suck away any spider egg sacs, webs, or additional spiders that you see. Pay special attention to the corners or areas under mats and chairs. Suck up any dirt, crumbs, or other debris you see as well, it could be attracting the spiders. After vacuuming the car, remove the vacuum bag and discard it far away from your car to prevent any spiders from escaping. Spider egg sacs are usually small, oval-shaped gray bundles with a silky consistency. 3. Turn off your interior car lights. Turn off your interior car lights while using your car. Spiders are attracted to bright lights, so keep your inside car lights turned off at all times if you've noticed an infestation. At night when you need your exterior lights on, turn them off immediately after parking. If someone uses electronics in your car, ask them to turn the screen to a low brightness setting. 4. Fix any cracks or holes. Fix any cracks or holes in your car so spiders can't get in it. Spiders are most likely to slip through any cracks, gaps, or holes in your car's exterior. Inspect your car for damage, particularly any holes leading to your car interior, and fix them yourself or take your car to a certified mechanic for repairs. Eliminating open spaces will make it more difficult for spiders to enter your car. This only applies to cracks, gaps, or holes made by damage. Never try to seal your car's doors, vents, windows, or pipes. If you have a broken or cracked windshield, for example, repair it yourself or hire a mechanic to fix it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Guardian's Choice Official.